Hello children, today we'll see Microsoft Excel, that is chapter 8, page number 98. Now what is Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel is a part of MS Office Suite. MS Office Suite has got many applications like MS PowerPoint, MS Excel, MS Word and so on. So MS PowerPoint you have already learned, MS Word you have already learned. Now this is MS Excel. MS Excel is a spreadsheet program. See, it's written spreadsheet program. What does it mean? It means that any program which is laid out in rows and columns, right? That is called as spreadsheet. And it is very good for calculations, right? This calculation, graph, develop reports, and it organizes data. Data means something which you write in the form of tables, rows and columns, right? So MS Excel is a spreadsheet program, okay? And these rows and columns, see line number 1, 2, 3. These rows and columns are collectively called as worksheet, right? For years, people used manual methods such as those performed with pencil and paper to organize data in rows and columns. The data in an electronic worksheet is organized in the same manner as it is done in manual worksheet. Like MS Word software, spreadsheet has basic features to help you create, edit, format worksheets. See this figure? It has got cells A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and here the numbers are written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these numbers are called as rows, and these alphabets, this is A column, this is B column, this is C column, this is D column, and this is a table, right? And where, like this here, this is A2, so that is the address of this cell, and this is called cell. What is cell? Cell is the intersection of row and column. जहाँ पर रो और कॉलम मिलते हैं, that is called cell. Cell is the intersection of column and row. These are all cells. If we say what is the address of this cell, it is, see, this is B, 1, and this is 5. So B5. The address of this cell is B5. Spreadsheet file is called as workbook. Like you carry your book, and each book has got so many pages. In the same manner, a spreadsheet is a program, and it consists of workbook, right? And which is like a notebook having 255 individual worksheets, and these are the pages. Worksheet means pages in a book, workbook, right? Workbook is a spreadsheet file, and it has got many worksheets. How many worksheets? 255. On each worksheet, data is organized vertically in columns and horizontally in row. This is horizontal, leta, and khada is vertical and horizontal, right? And how many columns are there? See, unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 16,384 columns. And how many rows? Unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, right? So 10,48,576 rows, right? So workbook or worksheet, spreadsheet, it has got so many rows and these many columns. Understood? एक वर्कबुक होती है, उसमें बहुत सारे वर्कशीट होते हैं, और हर वर्कशीट जो होती है उसमें 16,384 कॉलम्स होते हैं और 10,48,576 रोज होती है. बहुत ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ डेटा can be stored in one worksheet, and workbook has got 255 worksheets, right? Now letter identifies each column and a number identifies each row. I told you in the beginning, these are the numbers, these identify as a rows, and these are the alphabet, these are identified as a column. The column letters begins with A and end with, I told you these are 255, so the last this thing X F D, and the row number begin to 1 and the last would be this 1084856. Okay, only a small fraction of these columns and the rows displayed on the screen at a time. I can see only 7 rows and G columns. In the same way, on the computer or the laptop screen, you can see only a little part of the big worksheet, right? To view a different part of worksheet, you can use scroll bar to display it on your screen. You can't see my scroll bar, but I am this time I'm using my scroll bar. I'm moving it down. Okay, the intersection of a row and a column is called as cell. A cell is the basic unit of worksheet into which you enter data. When you type something, like on MS Word, when you type, the cursor keeps moving forward here. But here when you type, whatever you type, it appears on one particular cell. If you want to move to the other cell, you need to put the cursor or to press the arrow key to the different cell, either up, down, right or left. So here when you enter something, it appears inside the cell. Cell is identified by a column and a row in which it is located. For example, the intersection of column B and row 5 is referred to as cell B5, which is called cell address. Cells may contain 3 types of data: labels, values, numbers, formula. Right, children? So this is just an introduction. And in the next week, when I'll come to the Google Meet, I'll explain the detail and the formula used in MS Excel. You also revise these important terms like the row and the column, the spreadsheet, the workbook, the worksheet, all these terms. And in the next coming week, we'll do the detail of the MS Excel in practical. Thank you, children.